Hi everyone and welcome to this video. I'm going to present a very short introduction of the Tames Toolkit. So the first thing is the ability to control interaction with objects based on distance and angle. So you see here the name of the city on the left um, information card is changing, but the numbers are not. I need to go closer to also change the numbers and affect the graph. So, and then this is like a common thing in real world. You have a screen or a curtain that goes up and down or left or right. So then this is a area based interaction. It's not a collider because the area is actually just a point. I just used it in Blender. I created in Blender a point with just scales to create the impression of a box area. And this is a useless feature that the color of this stone is changing based on a certain range of distance to it. Then of course you see there this toy train and horned snake or whatever worm is moving based on a schedule that I've written there. So scheduling is not very easy but also not very hard with things. It just needs basic math. And let me open this with my fake hand. It's another type of interaction that's very useful in VR. And so a typical thing that we usually really like in architecture is to be able to change and review different alternatives, and this is very easy with Tames. I just need to put the alternatives that we want in an array and everything is done automatically. Then of course we can change alternatives for textures or change the colors. And an important thing you see there at the bottom of this information sheet is that we can perform a survey, also 1, 2, 3. That's good for research. That's the reason this toolkit came into being, was to do research, but anyway it can now be used for other things. So yeah, okay, well, but summarize this, the point was we can create all of this in Unity without a single line of programming or even visual programming. So this is basically useful for people who know how to do the lightings and baking. That is not something unfamiliar for architects, and of course the 3D designing environment is something also we are very familiar with, but the programming part of Unity is a bit difficult, and so I designed this to somehow mitigate that requirement. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a nice day. See you again.